The war in Ukraine has left neighborhoods in ruins and lives uprooted. Each day, families are forced to leave everything behind: homes, memories, even loved ones. Countless civilians remain near the front lines, living daily with the threat of violence, uncertainty, and limited access to aid. Local volunteers stretch their limits, providing emergency help where it's needed most. In this crisis, no single organization can respond to every need.
Haven focuses on protecting civilians at the front lines through supporting civil society and local volunteers and promoting respect for international humanitarian law. The Haven consortium brings together 4 international organizations: Nonviolent Peaceforce as the lead, acted with Impact Reach, Geneva Call and CIVIC, and a national NGO, Kharkiv-based Relief Coordination Center.
Haven partners Relief Coordination Center and Nonviolent Peaceforce, together with local volunteers on the ground, works swiftly to organize evacuations, helping people, including the elderly, children and those with disabilities, move from areas of immediate risk to safer locations. These life-saving operations not only remove individuals from harm, but also connect them to critical medical care, shelter and ongoing support through transit centers that serve as crucial waypoints on their journey to safety. In communities at risk, we share clear practical information about evacuation procedures and available support, so that families know what to prepare, what help is available, and how to get assistance when needed. Thousands of quick run-back leaflets are distributed to ensure no one is left uninformed. For those lacking a safe place to stay, Haven also assists with accommodation. For instance, NP's safe accommodation in Kherson provides immediate refuge to the most vulnerable. But supporting people goes beyond shelter and logistics. Our psychologists and trained volunteers offer consultations, emotional help and group sessions to help individuals and families navigate the profound stress and trauma caused by war. Haven stands alongside local civil society organizations and volunteers who are the backbone of frontline humanitarian efforts. We do this by equipping local responders with essential protective gear, ballistic vests, helmets, first aid kits, alongside comprehensive life and accident insurance and psychological support. Beyond equipment, Haven invests in capacity building, specialized training in first aid, safeguarding principles, and risk mitigation prepare volunteers and organizations to operate safely and effectively. Haven works hand in hand with Ukraine's frontline hromadas. Our support goes beyond emergency response. Haven members acted in impact initiatives, help these communities assess their needs and develop tailored recovery and development plans, ensuring that rebuilding is both strategic and sustainable. In the second year of Haven, we repaired and equipped 3 public development centers. To further empower local resilience, Haven has provided 41 microgrants. Haven also helps communities protect themselves and lead local safety efforts. Through community protection groups supported by CIVIC, residents come together to take practical steps toward their own security, whether that means supporting local firefighter units, organizing life-saving training, or learning evacuation procedures. Haven also acts together to maximize impact. This is done through important coordination platforms like RCC's Bridge in eastern Ukraine and LDN's Link platform in the south. Thanks to Haven's strong community presence, we are also able to gather and map frontline needs accurately. Our research partners like Impact deliver essential data products, including multi-sectoral and frontline needs assessments, that provide up-to-date information about the most urgent requirements, ensuring that humanitarian aid is targeted, timely, and effective. Even in times of war, there are rules designed to protect civilians and reduce suffering. This is the essence of international humanitarian law, or IHL. In Haven, Geneva Call leads this vital work by engaging security and defense actors to promote adherence to IHL principles. To reach a broader audience, Geneva Call has developed innovative digital tools and blended learning modules that educate both military personnel and civilians on how to uphold humanitarian standards during conflict. By increasing understanding and compliance with the rules of war, Haven helps create safer environments for civilians on the ground. Together, these advocacy actions help shape safer, more responsive environments for those living through conflict.
Together, we adjust as the needs evolve, staying committed to standing with local humanitarians and civilians, safeguarding their lives and dignity. The war goes on, and civilians face ever-growing challenges and needs. But through working together, rather than in silo, we can bring more coordinated and consistent support to communities.